Good morning to all of you. We are truly delighted to extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest, Professor P.N. Pandey, ex-Vice Chancellor, Nehru Gram Bharati University, Prayagraj. Professor Ashish Srivastava, St. Louis University, USA. Professor Vinay Kumar, ex-scientist, National Informatics Center, Government of India. Professor Shivdutt Kumar, MIT Allahabad. Dr. Nutan Kumar Tomar, IIT Patna, to the validity session of the online workshop on applications of algebra in science and engineering. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to the respected Professor K.K. Shukla, Director, NIT Jamshedpur, distinguished guests, esteemed panelists, and esteemed delegates. During the 5-day workshop, we all learned a lot and respected resource persons has presented effectively their lectures. We have discussed the important practical applications of algebra in science and engineering. I take this occurrence to thank the entire committee as well as the audience for representing their valuable views. I must remark a proficient sense of gratefulness to all of our guests for sharing with us some of the finest skill practice. With this, once again, I express my sincere thanks to you all participants for your patience hearing. I'm also thankful to convener Dr. Ratnesh Kumar Misra and coordinator Dr. Mahend Gupta for giving me this chance to share my views on online workshop on applications of algebra in science and engineering. On these notes, let's conclude a remarkable, memorable, and knowledgeable validity sessions. On behalf of institutions, we sincerely thank the dignitaries for being with us this morning, enlightening with their enthusiastic remarks us. I show my heartfelt gratitude to the professors and everyone of NIT family for their whole-hearted support rendered in success of this validatory session. Thank you. Thanks all of you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Dean Student Welfare, Professor Tani Mandal, sir, to address the session.
I think Mandal sir has lost his connection.
Yes, sir. The same. I feel that sir has lost the connection because of some technical glitches. So, not wasting our time, we are very much thankful to our chief guest who has honored the session. So, directly, I would like to invite our chief guest, Professor Vinay Kumar, to address the session with his invincible thoughts and words. Sir.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Sir, please unmute, sir.
Sorry. So thank you very much for giving me a chance to be a part of this valedictory session. And I hope all participants, after spending this 5 long day in this the application of algebra in the science and engineering concept, many concepts must have been taught and discussed over there. Mathematics in general plays a very major role, the support role in science and scientific development. It is mathematics, or a branch of it, we call it statistics, that changed perception of medicine from being an art to a science. A mathematician considered some specific examples, as we must have studied during these 5 days or during our entire career as a mathematician or as a teacher or a student of mathematics. A mathematician considered some specific examples. We call it observations. Proceeds to find a relationship, if there exists any. Formulate some questions, both general and specifics, and then finds how specifically it can be answered. Then it attempts to find a general statement of the problem. What we called it is a hypothesis. Sorry, what we call it a hypothesis, and proceeds to prove it. Failing to prove with experimentation, attempt is made to construct a counter-example. Can you please mute counter-example, falsification and testing? This process continues until the mathematician finally obtains an argument establishing his or her hypothesis. Mathematics rejects it otherwise. What I mean to say, this is the mathematics, which is the beauty in the application. It has the application in almost all branches of the science, not only science and engineering, but every aspect of life. The beauty is that in the natural science, there is always a chance of getting the earlier result disproved or proven otherwise with the observation of the new result. But in mathematics, once it is proved, it is proved. There is nothing like tomorrow some other argument will arrive and the earlier proved theorem is going to be falsified. In that, the mathematics always attempts to prove a concept conclusively and impress for the more stringent standards that is made by any other science. Means what is it? Once proved, it is proved. That is the beauty of the mathematics. It's not liable to be what is called disproved under the new observation, under the new experimentation, like it happens in all other natural sciences. We recall that is the 10 mathematical equations that change the life of the human being. And these 10, a few I will just recount over there. One is the Pythagorean theorem. Next is the what is called the law of gravitation. The sum is like the E equal to mc square. So there is a list of the 10 equations which change the life of the human being. The Newton's law of universal gravitation, as an example, the universality claim of this law is based on the assumption that it has never been contradicted. Compare this with the Fermat's last theorem. 350 years of the being unable to find a counterexample or proof was not considered an evidence of truth or falsity. It was accepted only when a proof was produced and the proof was checked and verified. That is the one initial proof was given by the one students of the MIT. So in that case, is the mathematics. A lot of discussion is also there, whether we should consider the mathematics as a science or it is just an art. It is not a natural science, it is a formal science, and hence it should not be branded as what is called as a science at all. A lot of discussion is still going on, and the different school of thoughts are there. By keeping aside all these things, putting at the rest, I will just sincerely encourage all the students, the research scholars, and the teaching faculty to work on the basic application of the science or application of the mathematics in the real life science, how theory can found its practicality in the real life. And I hope this 5 days the workshop on this the application of algebra in the engineering and mathematics must have paved the way to groom the scholars, the students, and the faculty to think in that direction. And I hope all this the 5 days you people must have enjoyed with these words. I would like to thank you all. Thank the organizer, Dr. Ratnesh Kumar Mishra, the Dean of Student Welfare, the HOD of the Department of Mathematics of NIT Jamshedpur. And thank you all for giving me a chance to being a part of this right from the first day up to the last moment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful speech. With immense pleasure, I would like to inform that the workshop has received 750 applications and 75 applications were objectively selected for the workshop. The workshop has provided live streaming session and all the sessions are well recorded, which will be uploaded in future to benefit all. Now, I take the opportunity to invite Dean Academic of the Institute to grace the session from his invaluable thoughts and words.
Thank you, Swati. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you. Thank you to the chief guest, Professor Vinay Kumar, for his speech and kind words for this workshop on application of algebra in science and engineering, which was conducted by the Department of Mathematics of our institute and under the convenership of Dr. Ratnesh Mishra and Coordinator Mahendra Kumar Gupta. As it is a great pleasure for us to organize this type of workshop, especially on those areas which is a very emerging areas, and what we feel is that, as Dr. Vinay was rightly trying to point out, that these application in algebra and science has found a lot application in the areas of computer science and mathematics. As we all know, that whatever we do in the computer science engineering these days are the areas which has emerged from the areas of mathematical science. So this, I think, as Swati has rightly pointed out, out of 750, 75 people's 75 persons were selected for this online workshop, and I sincerely hope that looking after the speakers and which have been organized, which have been put up in the list, what I have right from the different professors and the people who had gone through this workshop, the students and the faculty members and the other research scholars might have gained a lot from this session of and as it has been said that this has been put up in the live stream, so that anybody who wants to go through this topic in near future also can gain from the discussion what we had for this last 1 week from October 12 to October 16. Again, I would thank the organizing committee, our director, and persons who are related to this workshop directly and indirectly for organizing this type of workshop, which not only helps the research scholars outside the institute, also with the research scholars within the institute. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thanks again.
Thank you, sir, for this presidential address. Our Dean Student Welfare, Pandey Mandal sir, has lost the connectivity because of some glitches. Now he is able to join. So we would like to invite Dr. Tandi Mandal sir, Dean Student Welfare, to address the session.
Thank you, Swati. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our organizing team, advisory committee, and also the convener and coordinator of this program, who have conducted the 5 days online workshop on applications of algebra in science and engineering from 12 to 16. And also I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the invited speakers, Professor Shivdat Kumar from Allahabad, Professor Ashish Srivastav from USA, Professor Vinay Kumar from New Delhi, and Professor Nutan Kumar from IIT Patna. And so many invited speakers who have given their valuable time to give their talks on the various topics: application of linear algebra in engineering, life science, optimization, and computer science, application of algebra in cryptography and coding theory. Also, group of elective curves in cryptography, and also their topics they are related to the matrix theory, control system, and matrices of differential algebra equations. It was very successful. Regularly, I will be online. I was online and always seeing that the lectures of the invited speakers are very nicely they have done. Again, I would like to express to also the thanks to our HOD, Department of Mathematics, Dr. Sunil Kumar, who has given their support, and thanks to our Honorable Director. Without their support, not possible to conduct this event. I think that the invited guests have talked the different matters, just like algebra, what is the use of algebra in science, what is the purpose of algebra in our life, and also the algebra used in real life, and what is the real life example of linear equations. Now they have discussed. So again, I would like to thanks to all the teams, organizing teams, and Department of Mathematics, those who have given their valuable time to conduct this program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I may request one of the coordinator, Dr. Ratnesh Kumar Mishra, for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Swati. A very warm and healthy good afternoon to everyone listening here. On behalf of the organizing committee of AASC 2020, I would like to propose the vote of thanks to each and everyone who have contributed for overwhelming success of the workshop. First of all, I would like to propose my hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest and invited speaker, Professor Vinay Kumar, ex-scientist E and Technical Director, National Informatics Center, Government of India, New Delhi. Sir has proved Fermat-Last theorem, and in spite of his busy schedule, he accepted our invitation to share his valuable knowledge of applications of algebra with us. I would like to propose my sincere thanks to our Honorable Director, Professor K.K. Shukla, for his helping hand to conduct this workshop successfully. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our respected Dean Academic, Professor Amresh Kumar, for his blessing to conduct this workshop successfully. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to our honorable invited speakers for their excellent explanations on applications of algebra in science and engineering. I extend my grateful thanks to our chairperson, Professor Dr. Sunil Kumar, Head, Department of Mathematics, for his keen interest, guidance, and continuous support to make this workshop a reality. I extend my sincere thanks to our Dean Student Welfare, Professor Tarni Mandal, for his guidance and suggestions. My special thanks to our participants who have attended from different places to attend this workshop. Without their helping hand, it would be impossible to complete this workshop. I extend grateful thanks to Dr. Swati Sudha, Assistant Professor, HSSM, NIT Jamshedpur, Dr. Pratibha Tyagi, Assistant Professor, Doon Business School, Dehradun, Mr. Abhinav, Ms. Meenakshi, Research Scholar, NIT Jamshedpur, for their technical support. I owe my heartfelt thanks to our organizing committee, supporting staffs, students, faculty members for their support and entire effort to complete this workshop. Once again, I thank one and all who supported directly or indirectly to make this course a reality. The two most important days in our life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. That's quoted by Mark Twain. So with this inspiration word, I would like to conclude the valedictory session for this workshop AAAC 2020. Thank you very much to all of you. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, should I disconnect?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.